Welcome guys. One of the few times I come to my long range flying zone and it's not windy, so I thought great opportunity, get the CRUX 35 HD out and I'm going to send it down there, see how far my HD0 on this little cracker is going to go. I've got a little Ministar 854S underneath. Be really interested to see how far the HD0 is going to take me. When we're talking distance, it sort of also depends on what setup you've got. Got a pair of right hand, I knew I'd forget the name of them, but I'll have it on the screen. Some double lumineers on top there, directional, so I'm going to have to make sure I am facing exactly where I'm flying, otherwise these patch antennas at the front aren't going to do anything. Attached to my SKYZONE 04X's. Really nice setup guys if you want the best of both worlds, digital and analog. I'm actually running the HD0 and the Walksnail AVATAR VRX off of these SKYZONEs. Yeah, it does a really good job. Check out my other videos if you haven't seen them already. Some chickens over there, might have a fly around there. Okay, let's go before the wind picks up. Enjoy the flight, let's get up in the sky. Let's head off. Fly really gently guys, because one thing I know for sure, these smaller quads, if you do tend to want to have a bit of a punch, you're going to drain your batteries pretty quick. So as I'm going to try for a bit of long range with it, which is a bit crazy. Wind in my face, so if I need to return to home pretty quick, that shouldn't be a problem. Of course I've got no GPS rescue or anything like that, so I'm just going to have to try and remember where I am. There is a road down here, so I do like flying here, because if I do happen to ditch it, I'll have a bit of a reference point there. Really, the stick's a little bit too far forward for my liking. It is a bit windy down there. Just stay on the edge of the field here. If something happens, it does. There's the road there, so there's the roadway to come in. 200 metres away guys, no breakup, signals looking pretty good. A bit of a satellite, a signal drop there on number 2, number 3 intermittently, but still I think you'll agree, just move my head around, still going really well, just by the bend, by the big trees. Yeah, HD0, really good guys. There's a car down there. Tiny little bit of snow coming down now, but that's no problem at all. My biggest trouble I know already is I'm going to have power issues, so I'm going to need to come home before I run out of power, before I lose signal. LQ 5, 98, 99, 100. A little bit more snow now. I might just go up to the sky a bit more, because I am in a valley there. Be careful I don't go too high, because there is an airfield in the distance. So we're back up to LQ, what's on 4 now? We'll head up a bit more. 3.85. That's got a long way guys, you're not going to want to fly further than this normally anyway, so I'm pretty happy with that. A long way. Just by the house on the left. So I'm going to fly another quad shortly, which has a GPS on it. It'll work out exactly how many metres we are away, and that's going to be up on the screen right now for you, which is good. A bit more snow, a bit of wind, and the signal's dropping. I think I might call it a day just here, right opposite that house for reference. You can see where I am, but you can't. Shake my head. Fly on my ear. Look at other controls. Okay, that's simple at home. I think I've got enough power to check out the chickens. I'm a long way from home. I'm right up top of that hill, folks. Not bad for a little 4-inch. Decent. The flies are pretty annoying. If you're wondering what all the green is, that's canola oil. They've just cut it. It was lovely in yellow a couple of days ago. Hopefully we'll have enough power to... Oh, flies! Hopefully we'll have enough power to... Oh, do a bit of an aerial shot where I am. Like I said, we'll do 4 minutes 20 into batteries, and we are getting a bit lower on power now. Find out where I am, somewhere around here. Like I said, a lot quicker getting back home than it was going down there. I'll be interested to see how far away that is, but not a problem whatsoever. Oh, there's a seat there, I didn't know that. Oh, okay. I might go sit on that. Trying to find out where I am. There I am. Oh, very nice. Do I have enough power to go say hello to some chickens? That's the question. 3.7. Let's hope the owner of the chickens is out collecting eggs. Looks a bit blowy over there. Yeah, while you get a sec, guys, look at that thumb, that'll be awesome. Much appreciated. Any comments about the CRUX 35 HD0, let me know. While you're around there. You'll get very mad if you see me spotting these chickens. Oh, it's windy. Oh, yes, okay. Okay, let's bring it home. Way to lose signal is to drop straight into a valley, as you'll see shortly, like so, and come up again real quick. Alright, should have enough power for a quick aerial shot, and we'll call it a wrap. These flies are really annoying. Okay, there I am down there. Nice spot to fly when it's not windy. Not too many times when it's not windy here, but today it's pearler. Find a bit of a 360. Antenna over there, we try and keep away from those. Awesome. Down we come. Finish off with a bit of line of sight, guys. Successful flight, lots of fun. Wasn't too nerve-wracking. They normally are. There you go, guys. CRUX 35 HD0. Massive amount of fun, and you can travel you can travel a long way with this little thing. Look how tiny it is. And I went, I'll let you know, it'll be on the screen anyway. You've probably already seen how far I was away. Certainly further than you need to push this thing, without a doubt. I think our batteries are now flat. Yep, batteries are flat. Whoops. Lots of fun. Drop us a comment, say good day. See you again real soon, guys. Sky Pilot. See you in the sky. Bye for now.